It has been a very busy weather night across Northeast Ohio.
Yeah, let's get right to meteorologist Jessica Van Meter with the latest. Jessica.
Hey there, guys. Things finally starting to wind down for us as we had some of those strong to severe storms move through the evening hours. We did have a few severe thunderstorm warnings, even one brief tornado warning for areas of southern Medina, northeastern Wayne County. Those have all been allowed to expire at this point. A lot of this is working on clearing out. We are done with any severe potential as we go through the rest of the overnight. Our skies will be working on drying out. We do have some lingering rain. Much of this really focused along and south of 30 for right now. So mostly south of Canton and Worcester is where we have some heavier pockets of rain across southern Tuscarawas County, especially down through, say, New Philadelphia, heading south on 77. Some decent rain still falling for the folks down there. Still have a couple pockets of decent rain out towards Carroll County as well. Again, all of this is going to work on tapering off as we go through the rest of the overnight hours. We had a cold front move through. We're going to feel the effects of that as we get into tomorrow. Temperatures will be cooler, but will be dry. We'll even get some sunshine in to start the day off. Temperatures a little cool in the morning. We'll start the day off in the 40s rather than the 60s like we had earlier this morning. Through the day tomorrow, we're going to keep a mostly northerly breeze. So that means especially closer to the lakeshore areas like Cleveland will likely be stuck in the 50s, even into the afternoon. A little bit warmer as you get further south away from the lake. We'll top out in the 60s. We do look dry as we go through tomorrow. Just on the cooler side, we'll look ahead to the rest of the week's forecast coming up, Lena.
Okay, sounds good. We'll see you in a few. Thanks, Jessica.